So hello guys, I'm gonna show you the 13th day of skating training video. All the students are highly motivated and all the students are doing very well. Obvious, the second month is going on, that's why the basic training period has finished. Hello Drishti. Why? Yes. Yes. So today मेरी फ़ोन की बैटरी डेड हो गई थी, तो दैट्स वाई Drishti is asking just like that. Actually, environment is too much important. The peaceful environment is too much important to do any type of activity. But yeah, if you are habitual to be at this type of environment, the loud full environment, so that is okay. And also with that, a peaceful mind should be there, whether that is a study and sports and all over the activity. Today is also a fair competition between Gunmay and Drishti. व्हाट्स अबाउट दृष्टि, वो बहुत जल्दी अपना एनर्जी लूज़ कर देती है. व्हाट आई थिंक गाइस, हमें ना एक्चुअली आई रिमेंबर दैट स्टोरी, द स्टोरी ऑफ रैबिट एंड टॉर्टॉइस, in which tortoise got win the race. That's why we should just like that. We should be just like that, a tortoise or a rabbit. What do you guys think about it? Just comment in comment box. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज़ दैट किसी भी चीज़ को करने के लिए ना एक रूटीन फॉलो करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. अगर रूटीन में प्रॉब्लम हो ना, एक बार रूटीन से कोई चीज़ हट जाए तो देन बहुत मुश्किल सी बात होती है वापस से उस चीज़ को रूटीन में लाना. ये चीज़ हमारे हेल्थ के ऊपर भी लागू होती है एक्चुअली. Now what happened, Drishti? You again tired? Chalo go. There is a sun reflection in front of my camera. I think there is a need to change the direction of the camera, so that's why I'm going to change the direction of camera. I know that the facilities is not on that level which we wanted for our kids, but that is okay about that. What do you guys think about also it ना, क्या ज़रूरी है एक्चुअली अपॉर्चुनिटी या फैसिलिटीज़, अवेलेबिलिटीज़ ऑफ थिंग्स या माइंडसेट. इसके बारे में हम 14th क्लास में बात करेंगे. मेरे ख्याल से अगर हम इनर मोटिवेटेड है ना कुछ चीज़ करने के लिए, तो देन हम छोटी सी भी चीज़ों को एज ए अपॉर्चुनिटी, छोटी छोटी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को गेन करके हम कुछ भी सीख सकते हैं. If I talk about some sports person like Mary Kom and Milkha Singh, they are not from they are not from highly qualified, highly metropolitan cities. They are also from a village. who didn't have any type of facilities, but they did a lots of in their career. They went on higher. So that's why. Okay guys, I'm going to off the 13th day of video. Okay, bye bye guys. Please like and subscribe the channel of Ishant and Dristy. Bye bye.